6 reasons to drink ginger tea daily, an impressive healing remedy. Ginger, with its distinct aroma and spicy flavor, has been used for centuries as both a culinary spice and a medicinal herb. Among its many uses, ginger tea stands out as a particularly popular remedy for a wide range of ailments. From soothing digestive woes to boosting immunity, here are 6 compelling reasons to incorporate ginger tea into your daily routine. 1. Relieves digestive discomfort. Ginger has long been revered for its ability to ease digestive issues such as nausea, indigestion, and bloating. Drinking ginger tea can help stimulate saliva production, which aids in the breakdown of food and promotes smoother digestion. Additionally, ginger contains compounds like gingerol and sugol, which have been shown to relax the intestinal muscles and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. 2. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Regular consumption of ginger tea may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions and promote overall wellness. 3. Boosts immune function. Rich in antioxidants such as gingerol, ginger tea can help strengthen the immune system and protect the body against harmful pathogens. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to disease development. By bolstering immune function, ginger tea may help prevent infections and reduce the severity of colds and flu. 4. Relieves menstrual discomfort. For many women, menstrual cramps and discomfort are a monthly ordeal. Fortunately, ginger tea offers a natural remedy for alleviating menstrual pain and discomfort. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help reduce prostaglandin levels, which are hormones responsible for triggering uterine contractions and causing pain during menstruation. Drinking ginger tea regularly may help ease menstrual cramps and promote a more comfortable menstrual cycle. 5. Supports weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health and well-being. Ginger tea may aid in weight management by promoting satiety, increasing calorie expenditure, and improving digestion. Studies suggest that ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce feelings of hunger, making it a valuable tool for those looking to manage their weight or prevent overeating. 6. Promotes mental clarity and focus. In addition to its physical health benefits, ginger tea can also support mental clarity and focus. The invigorating aroma and warming properties of ginger tea can help sharpen the mind and enhance cognitive function. Drinking ginger tea may help improve concentration, memory, and overall mental acuity, making it an excellent beverage choice for those needing a midday pick-me-up or a boost in productivity. How to make ginger tea. Making ginger tea at home is simple and requires just a few ingredients. Ingredients: fresh ginger root, 1 to 2 inches. Water, 2 cups. Optional: lemon slices, honey, or mint leaves for added flavor. Instructions: peel and thinly slice the ginger root. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a boil. Add the ginger slices to the boiling water and reduce the heat to simmer. Let the ginger simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to infuse the water with its flavor and beneficial compounds. Remove the saucepan from the heat and strain the ginger slices from the tea. Serve the ginger tea hot, optionally adding lemon slices, honey, or mint leaves for flavor. With its myriad health benefits and delicious flavor, ginger tea is a versatile beverage that deserves a place in your daily routine. Whether you're looking to soothe digestive discomfort, reduce inflammation, or boost your immune system, ginger tea offers impressive healing properties that can support your overall health and well-being. So why not brew yourself a cup of ginger tea today and experience its remarkable benefits firsthand? Your body and mind will thank you for it.